Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the essential components for your Jeep Grand Cherokee, the Track Bar Bushings. Specifically, we'll be looking at the Track Bar Bushings for Jeep Grand Cherokee K200863, crafted by Code Red Bushings right here in the USA. These bushings are renowned for their durability and performance, making them a standout choice in the market. These Track Bar bushings are designed to replace the OE bushings on Jeep Grand Cherokee models from 1999 to 2004. Unlike having to purchase a whole new track bar assembly, which can be costly, these Code Red bushings offer a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. If you're looking to enhance the stability and performance of your Jeep Grand Cherokee suspension, these bushings are a perfect choice. Customers rave about their ease of installation and the noticeable improvement in ride quality. Whether you're tackling daily commutes or off-road adventures, these bushings provide the reliability and performance Jeep enthusiasts demand. Available from Suspension Dudes, a small business dedicated to providing top-notch automotive components. These bushings come with a 30-day return policy for peace of mind. Please note, though, they are designed for use within the United States due to voltage compatibility. To sum up, if you're in the market for high-quality track bar bushings that won't break the bank, look no further than the Code Red bushings for Jeep Grand Cherokee K200863. With their easy installation, durability, and performance, they're a must-have upgrade for any Jeep owner serious about their vehicle suspension. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive product reviews. Thanks for watching, and drive safely. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, your go-to channel for unbiased product reviews. See you soon.